Hi everybody, I want to talk about law that protects intellectual properties in general, about why I support these laws. Let me start by telling a little experience of mine. After I made an argument to a comment on this video, you can read the video, you can get the video link down there in the description. I have been replied not just from the guy who had made the comment, but also from others who seem to have been saving these thoughts against the copyright law for quite a while. So they all kind of gang up on me because I support the copyright law, the intellectual property law. But it's okay, it's just comment on YouTube. It's not like you're going out on a fight or something like that. After a couple of bits and buts, I derived to conclude two main points of my position. So here they are. First, the existence of internet, computer, copying facilities had prevented authors from being able to share their materials or work selectively. Intellectual property laws help them to do that exactly by punishing those who would share these materials without consent from the authors themselves. So intellectual property protects people from being not able to control their work, their novel works, due to the existence of technology, right? I'm not saying that technology is bad. I'm a supporter of technology, but technology could strip power from you, right? Strip especially on privacy. So the existence of the law helps you to keep that control. The next point, intellectual property laws facilitate small businesses to compete with big companies. If small businesses have original or novel materials, they would be able to capitalize from these works without worrying big companies could just copy these materials and sell the better version of these without permission, and so without any appropriate rewards for the authors who had invented these things. Without legal protection of intellectual properties, independent innovation would be kept to self, and big companies would just needed to offer consumers the same thing over and over again because they had no competition. In my opinion, piracy has contributed against the goodness of these laws. If you use piracy, realize that all the money that you've paid didn't end up in author's pockets, but in some other guy who has no respect for the author's freedom and privacy. I want to allocate power to the authors, not to some people who won't ask for permissions or who disrespect after not being given the kind of permission that he or she wants. Whether you realize it or not, piracy could raise you into becoming a person with overbloated sense of entitlement. I'm still struggling. I'm no lawyer, and I'm sure that there are plenty more good proposals of the intellectual property laws than what I can identify. Thank you for watching.